Looking for an easy way to split your wood this winter? Well, you can't go past Fiskars. Fiskars is one of the oldest brands in the Western world, and since 1649 they have championed as the leading brand in the wood splitting category. Starting with the big wood first, the X27 is going to be your best friend for anything well over 30 centimeters in diameter. For added user safety, the end of the handle is a hook to prevent it slipping out of your hand when in use. This heavy duty axe has the longest shaft of the bunch, guaranteeing maximum swinging power. The next size down is the X25. For similar wood sizes as the X27, this axe has the perfect balance between the head and the shaft. The optimal anti-shock 3D surface ensures a comfortable, firm grip, providing 2 times less vibration than any wooden handled axe. Let's not forget about the little guys. The X7 is perfect for chopping small wood and making kindling. The thin, wide edge ensures a clean, easy cut, and paired with the fibre comp shaft, this axe minimises fatigue and is virtually unbreakable. And now it's time to maul some wood. The optimised blade geometry is ideal for splitting small logs and kindling, while the driving side can be used as a striking face or for driving stakes. With a forged, heat-treated steel head, this IsoCore Maul S transfers 50% less shock and vibration than wood-handled mauls, reducing punishment on your body. And if you want to keep your axes nice and sharp, don't forget to get a Fiskars X-Sharp axe sharpener. And it can do knives, flick it across like that, and it does the axes as well, just a few swipes, and it's as good as new.